going pretty well. We're getting a lot better as a team and everything. We're, you know, executing offensively. We're just trying to get better every day.
When did you stop feeling like a quarterback and start feeling like a running back? When did it feel? Does it feel natural now?
Yeah,
was there
definitely.
a point at which it was just like, now I feel like a running back?
I mean, yeah, every day when I'm out there practicing by myself, I'm trying to practice and getting the ball and everything. I've never done that before. I was always at quarterback, so now it's natural and blocking is becoming a lot natural. Like, the techniques on blocking and everything like that.
First handoff you've ever taken was in August?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that the hardest part? Is that hardest adjustment, or is it footwork, or what's the toughest part about transitioning to tailback?
I think footwork kind of came natural to me because at quarterback you have a really good footwork. So and running the ball, I ran the ball a lot in high school. So that kind of came natural. It's just more of the blocking.
Do you look at the spring as a pretty big opportunity? I mean, I know Marshawn's not available, Shai's not available. It seems like there's some reps to go around there.
Yeah, definitely. I just try to go out there and execute, play as hard as I can, and just let the coaches handle it.
What are your goals for the spring? What would you like to accomplish for yourself?
Just to show the coaches my abilities, that I could score almost every play I touch the ball.
You think you can?
Yes, sir. That's definitely. That's the mindset you have to have.